Welcome back, and this video is on the nightstand beginning to end that goes with the Dark Immortal Collection, and I'll be explaining some of the process throughout the video. This brush is so good because you can get all of the details, just one quick swipe, and get in the corners. Corners seem to just be so difficult with a lot of brushes, and I'm just kind of obsessed with this zebra brush. Messy, I just get it in there. So as you can see, I went from priming to the base layer. If you watched the bed video, then you know what point I'm basically at right here. And this is me just blending out the top. So after I primed, I did a black base. As you can see, just did a super messy coat on the top of the purple, which is actually part of the wall color that I use on the blending, and then I use this darker color kind of around the edges. And when it comes to blending, there's so many ways to do it. Everyone has their own style, their own ways of doing it. This is just one way I kind of do it. It's a lot of just back and forth. Your hand will get very tired. It's no different from if you're into makeup. It's the same as when you're just blending out that perfect eyeshadow blend. And I have basically 3 colors just on the top that I use. So I use the wall color that I'll be putting on the walls, and then that darker purple color, and then I come back in with some black. And it's a lot of just getting the kind of light to dark blend down. Once I get all the basics down, I also use a mister bottle. I'll try to remember to put a link down in the description. You can get them on Amazon. I have a really great one that I got at a beauty store once, and it's just a really light mist of water, which really helps to keep the paint wet so you can just keep blending back and forth, which probably took me, I would say, I don't know, under an hour from start to finish of the basic top blend. And you can see right there how it's the paint's still wet and just blends and kind of just melts into each other really well to get that sort of ombre look that I like. And then once I finished all the blending, this is how the top looked, and just let it dry for a couple of days before I go in and just cleaned up some details on the edging. I started on the drawers. They're super intricate, and I really wanted to show off the filigree, like carved look. So I went in there full, I think 2 coats of the black, and then I used a gunmetal and purple to really showcase the details. I also painted over the original handles, and this is the final look, and it matches with the bed and the bedroom set perfectly. So again, it takes time, but it's worth it to get quality old furniture that's built well and then paint it however you like. Obviously, this isn't everyone's taste, but it is my taste, and I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.